Hello buddies, another video. It's about how to make your own way to study languages, particularly languages. And here I got like kind of insights that I've been studying, and yeah, that's my like dictionaries. And what I'm gonna tell you, it's like little tips and tricks. And it's mostly for those who have learned like one language, maybe two languages already. Well, one would be enough, like even if it's not like super foreign language, it's like something similar to yours. Like I know a couple of languages, and like in my home country, like I had another language similar to the one we use, and I kind of early, I believe it's 7th or 8th grade, I've been like learning it intensively on my own, and that kind of light up the spark, like to continue to study, and kind of the success of it light up the spark. And it's been kind of like what drew me to learning English more on higher level, and that's kind of like this tips that I'm giving you in this video. It's kind of like have the background of that, if that makes sense. And yeah, like, and now once I'm on high level of English, I got like the dictionaries. Like it's quite a few of them, and it's obviously not all of them, but here it's like different words, expressions, and what I've been doing, I've been actually analyzing them, what I've done to actually achieve this higher level of kind of language. And it's really insightful to go through them and like look all of the topics that I've written down, all this kind of, I see different words, and I even numbered them at the beginning, and in this dictionary I even numbered them all, like here. And I used to sit in class, and we've been going out to other classes, like because like there wasn't like enough room in the building, and we kind of were going from class to class, and often there was like on the desk, on the blackboard, there was written down expressions, words from other class, and I've been writing them down too, like kind of if I don't knew them completely. So that's kind of what I've been doing, like this dedication kind of moment, yeah. And the tip itself, yeah, like I've been analyzing, like I continued this dictionary recently, like it's been like from middle school and high school, and here I went on and kind of writing down even now expressions that I'm not familiar with, and you kind of go through them, repeat, and it's kind of really thought-provoking to think back about how you learned something. And that's kind of how I came up with the 200, 300 words kind of concepts that I kind of reinvented. Of course, it isn't new, but I kind of like, I felt this spark, like I can do this too. This really makes sense to me. And this is how I'm kind of writing down into this. This dictionary is a little bit more new. It's new one. And here I'm kind of writing down those like words I wanted to translate, and my main focus is on words that YouTubers use in videos that I have access to, and kind of translating them into like Danish and Deutsch, and here like kind of combining them. And initially I figured out it by kind of reviewing this dictionary and viewing all those like phrases, but they are kind of random here. I didn't write like the most used words, and that kind of hold me back like in middle school, because I didn't write the words that I will use like on daily basis or when I encounter them in a video. And later, like when I was in 11th grade, I kind of like I began to have the access to the internet, and I started watching the videos like, and I kind of like learned the most used words, and I later on wrote down them to the dictionary, and that's kind of how I now can operate those most used words. But here is usually words that kind of from topics on the book, like, you know, like different animals from savannas, different, like, on the seashore, different foods, different, what else, like planning thread. It's like character threads and about danger situations like seashore exist and stuff like that. Yeah, but it's really kind of helps this kind of numbers, lines, and I even wrote down here like this that I met somewhere this text. Those who know 100, actually 1000 to 3000 words can carry on everyday conversations. Knowing 4K words to 10K words makes people advanced language users. Yeah, and native speakers. So that's kind of like what I read also. This insights kind of helps when you write them down. And yeah, so that is the kind of writing down, and you create your own system. You go back, you analyze, and then you can make your own, like, how the video is called, like how to make own way to study, how you making your own way to study languages. And this is kind of the system, like you analyze yourself, what helped you, what didn't help, and you kind of invent in your own way to study. Yeah, and I showed you this example with this dictionary that I am filling out with most used words, especially ones from videos that are most used. Like I already know pretty well like days from Deutsch and Dansk and this kind of, like, because they are most used like in videos when the vlog goes and there's like number, actually word for a day, and that is why kind of, and it's kind of really beneficial to have those most used words. So you just analyze yourself and you create your own way to study language. So I hope this was helpful. Stay safe, stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao!